You're selling health products on Amazon, but missing the FSA, HSA badge. That means you're ignoring billions in use it or lose it spending right now because people have to spend their money in the FSA, HSA accounts to get that discount and that tax benefit. Now you can see we got for our client FSA or HSA eligible, FSA or HSA eligible. And yes, it does come with a filter setting on Amazon. People are searching for it. People do want these products. It will help increase sales. Now, it's not going to be a crazy increase, but it will. But the first thing you want to do is type in eligible product list criteria, and you're going to type in SIGIS. This is the official website that kind of shows you everything on what products are eligible, right? And it's a very boring list. We can go through it together really quick. Acupressure treatments, breast pumps are eligible, dental repair items, diagnostic trackers, eye care, ear care, eye compress, family planning, and it kind of gives you examples and example of brands that are FSA, HSA approved, which is very nice. So you could go through this, right? Or you could speed it up. And if any of your competitors are approved for FSA, HSA, then you can get approved for FSA, HSA. That's pretty much the gist of it. So if you just go to Amazon and let's say I sell mouthwash, right? If Colgate has FSA or HSA eligible, you're going to screenshot this right away, right? And most likely 99% of the time, as long as your keywords aren't completely different, you'll get approved, right? So you're going to pretty much send this to Amazon, say, hey, look, my competitor is FSA, HSA approved. You can even email SIGIS if you want and say, look, they're FSA, HSA approved. Here's my product. Try to get a verbal approval. But all you really need is an image that just shows that your competitors are FSA, HSA eligible. Then you're going to contact Amazon and say, hi, here's my ASIN. I would like to be submitted for FSA, HSA approval, just like my competitor. Here it is. And take a screenshot. That's going to help fast track you to get your FSA, HSA badge. Now, it's still going to take around 30 to 60 days, okay? Because Amazon has to submit it with the SIGIS official nonprofit company up here, right? So they're going to have to submit it with them. But that is a free way to do it. There's also a paid way. If you go to sigis.org, you can sign up, but you have to pay them a significant amount of money and they can help you get approved, which then you give that approval to Amazon and such and such. But I do recommend going through Amazon for this because you can just take a screenshot. It's free. And once it's on there, I've never seen it removed from somebody's listing. So it is a huge benefit. So the requirements are looking at the eligible product list is requirement number one, right? And seeing if you do match these requirements. And number two is if you look at your competitors and they are eligible, there's a very high chance that you are eligible as well. Use your screenshots, use the ability to speak, the ability to write, to explain and articulate why your product should be eligible as well. And make sure that your copywriter, your SEO, your title is very similar to your competitors. That way, yours is good to go, right? But that's it for today's video. I tried to keep it short and sweet so that way you can succeed on Amazon. If you want more Amazon videos, let me know what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you are an Amazon seller, we help with FSA, HSA approval, anything regarding Amazon and even increasing sales. You can just contact us right below to schedule a call or just send us an email. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.